Hey, what's up, everybody? Wow, there's quite an echo in here. Let's see if I can fix that with the window rolling down. I just picked up the Rockstar Garage official parts go-getter vehicle, and we are going on a road trip today. I'm really excited about this, actually, because the parts are not only incredibly rare, but were once very, very, very expensive, and are going to be very unique to the build, and I think it's going to be a focal point of the build, actually. Very unique. So anyways, let's go! Picked up the 4 sheets of 3.5 by 10 feet of aerospace grade carbon fiber from the floorboards of a Boeing 747. Pretty excited. It's really neat to have a piece of history and a little piece of cool tech integrated into the S2000 project. We're hoping to make a flat under tray with this, as well as hopefully a few splitters, so we have a spare just in case. If there's anything left over, we'll make some cool parts with it. So we're here. We just went and did about a 2-hour drive to pick up some carbon fiber for the S2000. This particular sheet is actually from a 747 airplane. It's the passenger compartment floorboards. I have a buddy who dismantles these and was able to hook it up. Really cool stuff to be able to see what goes into an airplane, because these airplanes are, you know, millions and millions of dollars of R&D, and they choose carbon fiber to just try and, you know, get every single thing as light and strong as possible. Makes you think, you know, do you have to bring your iPad to every to every flight or not? But let's go through. We just mocked it up real quick. The plan is to do a flat under tray entirely of the S2000, and it looks like we can do it with just one of these sheets. These sheets are 3.5 feet wide by 10 feet long, and it looks pretty perfect. We need to trim a little bit around here, around the wheel wells, and then get a couple of miscellaneous pieces over on this side. We have 4 sheets total to work with, so I think we'll have plenty of carbon. And if we'll go towards the front here, we'll be able to integrate it perfectly on the front splitter, and then use the same material for the front splitter and have it go right up here. Another cool thing about this is, I don't know if you can see this, Ethan, but you can see the rivets built in. Can you see that all right? So there's rivets built into this already, and we're going to use that to adhere the flat under tray and then cover up what we don't need for obvious reasons. So yeah, pretty nifty little part that we picked up. Again, we're just mocking it up today. We're not installing anything, we're not cutting anything, but I wanted to take you guys along for the ride and so we can mock it up.